Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good, thank you. So, first
Thank
of
you,
all,
ma'am.
Lakshmi, congratulations for cracking the interview at GIAR Solutions. So, how do you feel about it?
Thank you so much, ma'am. I am feeling happy, ma'am. After so much days, I got job from GIAR solution, ma'am.
Okay, that's great to know.
Hmm.
So, Lakshmi, can you tell me how did you find our placement department?
Huh. Actually, Shiva sir was refer me in their. He will suggest in that company, ma'am. I got call from that Gira solution, and they will ask about my craft theory and Python and machine learning, deep learning questions, ma'am. Basic questions only they have asked, ma'am.
Okay, so you are telling it was an easy interview, right?
Easy interview, ma'am. They will ask about my academic year projects, and that's all, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you feel about our placement plan that was provided to you by InsideAIML?
That is very nice, ma'am. Actually, Shiva sir connected with us weekly once, ma'am. He will tell about that placement, how placement are going through in nowadays and all, ma'am. Actually, he is giving ideas about placement, ma'am. How placement will crack and.
Okay, so he was giving you ideas how to crack the interviews at different companies.
Um,
So, is there anything you want to tell about Inside AML journey? I think it was a 6-month course for you, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So, can you tell me, briefly from the beginning to end how it went and
Basically,
everything you liked?
basically it was a nice, ma'am. Basically, I am completely non-tech background, ma'am. I thought I will get a difficult in that data science course, but seeing faculty and teaching, ma'am, it was going through very easy, ma'am. Easy understanding, and day one to Python to deep learning, ma'am, it all was good, ma'am. I
Okay.
didn't get any difficult that much, ma'am.
Okay. So, you did have mock calls as well, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you remember how many mock calls you had?
3, ma'am.
Okay. And can you share me the experience of mock call, how it was, how it started and how it ended, what and all things were covered in the mock call?
One day before, ma'am, Shivani ma'am will send us the mock call link, ma'am. We have to join. We have to select the slot, ma'am. What time I have to give the interview. And that time they will ask, Hitendra sir will ask easy questions. Means what he teached us that much only, ma'am. Intermediate questions, coding and theory part, all he will cover, ma'am. And after the interview, I will get mail, ma'am, how much questions I have correct answered and how much questions I didn't know, that all, ma'am. It easy to understand me, ma'am.
Okay, so after you got the mail, how many questions you didn't answer, did you work on it and make it better?
Yes, ma'am. After the interview, I have worked on those questions, ma'am.
Okay, and coming to your assignments, so how many assignments were you given during the 6 months course?
6, ma'am.
Okay, and how was the assignment process? How much time was given for you to submit? How lengthy was the assignment? How well
Yes.
did it help you?
Yes, ma'am. Python assignments are little bit easy, ma'am. But compared to machine learning assignments are too lengthy, ma'am. And they will teach us what they will told in classes. No, that one only they will assign me to do the assignment, ma'am. After the completion of one topic like Python, in Python they will completed variables and data types. On that only they will assign us a assignment, ma'am. After the completion of one topic, they will assign us a assignment.
Okay, so Lakshmi, overall, if you have to give a feedback on Inside AIML for your experience of past 6 months, so how would that be?
It was a very good platform, ma'am, to understanding the knowledge, to gain the knowledge for non-tech students.
Okay, and on a scale of 10, how would you refer other people to join Inside AIML?
9, ma'am.
Okay, great. So Lakshmi, all the very best for your future endeavors. Have a great career ahead, and thank you so much.
And thank you, ma'am.